Hi guys. You as a man are the ultimate arbiter of the level of staying power you have when it comes to staying on her mind. Number one, be unavailable. Don't make your world revolve around her. A woman wants to feel like that you have life going on, so don't always drop every single thing you have going on just to accommodate her. Live your life and fit her in where she fits. Independence is extremely sexy. Your world doesn't revolve around her. You had a life before her, you'll have one during her, and even one after her. Number two, spend high quality time with her. Some women may view quality time as a night in. Some women may view quality time as going out for dinner and drinks. Quality time for a woman usually entails complete undivided attention no matter what the environment is. These events will only be memorable for her if she enjoys them, so it's imperative that you make sure that you're providing her with quality memories. Number three, double down on what's important to her. If she has a deep emotional connection to a particular place, take her there for a date. If she has a particular thing that she's always wanted to do, be the first to introduce her to that. Try to do these events at places that are close to places like her home, because once she starts equating past meaningful memories, places, and events with you, every time she drives past those particular places, the first thought will be of you and what you created there together. Number four, be a great listener. It's 100% true that women love to talk. They love to engage in conversation and express themselves. It's emotional intimacy for them. So men who are able to listen and have engaging conversations will always stay on a woman's mind. You become a great listener and ask open-ended questions without expecting any kind of specific response. And when she does answer, delve deeper into her answers. When someone feels that they can express themselves openly, it builds trust. And the truth is that most people don't trust people. Number five, don't trip off of her. Women will throw various tests your way, from ghosting to smart remarks to test how much disrespect you'll allow to actually full-on gaslighting. They're different tactics, but the desired end result for her is still the same. She wants a reaction out of you. If she's ghosting you, you let her go and you ghost her back. If she's gaslighting or disrespecting you, you check it at the very first sign and let her know that you're too grown for these type of games, and if she does want to play these games, she could find another man to play them. Women are used to men wanting to be with them so bad that they don't stand firm on their beliefs and desires. Whatever you state, don't waver from it, even if you think it won't go over too well. Communication is mostly nonverbal, so what does your body language say about you? Don't talk with your hands covering the front of your body, because it symbolizes that you're in defense mode. Talk with your hands open and away from your body, which symbolizes confidence and comfortability with your surroundings. Women like men who they don't quite have figured out you in. Women like mysterious men because it's a challenge. So you need to maintain a level of mystery about yourself. If a woman knows every single thing about you, she will lose interest. You need to keep her intrigued. Let her keep guessing about you, your personality, your work, your life, etc. While it's important to be very clear and honest, it's equally as important to maintain your frame and not reveal too much. Reveal just enough to keep her guessing and keep her mind wondering. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.